안녕하세요, Mayumi.
안녕하세요.
So, 아니노님 gave you 2 choco pie and 600.
아니노님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
She is proud of you because you share your choco pie last time with your classmates. No, mag-share na. So, 감사합니다, 아니노님.
감사합니다.
안녕하세요, Kailin.
안녕하세요.
So, 아니노님 gave you 2 choco pies and also your allowance, which is 400 pesos.
아니노님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Spend your allowance wisely, ha? Kailin? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. 안녕하세요. 저는 일곱살 초등학교 1학년 메리그레이스입니다.
I'm Mary, so I am here to deliver 1 sack of rice, 25 kilos. So that is from 이호진님.
이호진님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. So you're going to school na later? You have an exam? Okay, good luck. Fighting.
화이팅.
Bye-bye.
So this is Teacher Chen of Sakdos. So I just wanted to give you an update about the roof that has been already installed. So it's already fixed there. So the new roofs has been installed. So this is the update of Alona's house. There. And the roof. And also to give you an update with the nylon that will be used for fish net. So this is the update. So humana ba na siya? It's almost done or done na? Okay, so it's almost done. So this is already the update. Here. So this was made by Alona's father. There. So almost done naman na, no? Okay. And also the bicycle and the flooring was already done. So everything right here is already cement there, and it's very convenient because there is no stones, so everything is cement. And also they bought 2 shoe rack there to place their shoes and their slippers. And all of those are sponsored by Kinsalo na. Okay, so what will you say? Kang Maayong-puntak님.
Together ko na pamilya.
Kang? Or unsay mo isulti? Thank you. Okay. And mother, what can you say?
Thank you.
Maayong-puntak님. Thank you so much for all the support. And there. So, please stay healthy. And God bless you always. Thank you. 감사합니다.
Diri maksel ay. Dahil sa tanaw sa Charlie. Diri Liajein, magsunod ka.
Ay, ay. Sana, ref.
Ref.
Washing.
Washing.
What's your feeling, Liajein, that you have already refrigerator? Ha?
Happy.
Then unya unsaon man ang kuan? Maligya ay ka ani og askindi. Ha? Ha? Kada ko taas pa sa imo ano. Are you happy, Liajein?
Yes.
Say mo kasulti.
Handle name, thank you. Kamsamida.
For the
Reef and washing.
no, kay para si mama di na kapuyan magsige og laba in town. No? Ikaw di sa gam papadlo nga. Magbinuutan ka, study hard. Maura gini ato baw sa ato sponsor. You're so blessed of your sponsor, Liajein. Dapat thank you good ka sa Lord nga naka-sponsor ka like handle name. No? Always ka mag-pray.
Isahay na
Always ka. Magamags madako nga madawat nga blessings dapat mag-thank you kita. Ano ni gusto sa
Posing ka na handulin. Kamsamida for the ref. Kamsamida for the ref. Kung arabagid niya, uy.
Ya lang.
Lagi lang siya itang ay.
Okay.
Okay na lang na.
Pabara ko muna siya.
Boleh kung medyo na niya? Nagdaan mo na. Kuwara lagi ko na?
Referral.
Ang kuan?
Order yan. Kanya.
Sa una kompleto mo ito.
450.
Sa Koreano na no?
Oo. Hari kaliya Jane sa imong washing.
Yan na lagi ko. Sa una kay mga kuwan, kompletuhan niya. May mga gaanan, foam.
Kuya.
Ano ka lagi pala?
Again.
Salamat.
Salamat.
handle name, annyeonghaseyo.
Handle name, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida for washing and the refrigerator. I'm so happy.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yo, taro nga ha kanang dapat i-handle with care, no?
Oh,
Okay?
yes.
See, handle name inyo sponsor. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Ready for washing. Excited na kayo. Hey, nice. Good sa washing. Di apay. For sale, pugong.
So, lagi ko mo siya diri dahi.
Ay, sud ka diri bawal ka sud. Uy. Very big washing. And also their refrigerator. Very big. Oh wow. Cold water. It's ready for grocery. No? Charlito, no? Kan kahit lang Charlito? Oh. Oh, pagluto. Oh. It's already cold. Liajein. Are you happy, Liajein? Hmm? Ikaw, happy ka? Happy ka? Naamurit? Uy, maldita. Liajein.
한돌님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay. Mama.
한돌님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Charlito.